OnePlus 10T is very good smartphone with premium build quality, a great display, top-tier performance, and insanely fast charging speeds. At $650, it's also one of the best value high-end smartphones with Qualcomm's powerful and power-efficient Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. It's the first time a OnePlus T phone is being sold alongside the older model while also bearing a near identical design, but the two phones have quite a lot of differences under their hoods. Thankfully, the OnePlus 10T is a superb phone, but it does struggle to justify its price given the existence of company's own Note 2T, which has the same rear cameras, performs well for a mid-ranger, and costs a lot less. The OnePlus 10T costs $650 for the models with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, and $750 to get the 16GB or 256GB version. The former only comes in black and the latter only comes in green. OnePlus says there will be some regional variation in the European pricing. It makes the 10T an attractive saving over $900 base model of the OnePlus 10 Pro, and also gives the $800 Galaxy S22 a run for its money. The value proposition of 10T is cushioned in the UK and Europe by the existence of the company's own Note 2T, which has the same camera sensors and great performance for £370. It's different story for the 10T in the US where the Note 2T isn't available. I'd recommend checking out the $600 Google Pixel 6 if you must have the best Android camera. Though the 10T has much faster charging, a more powerful chipset, and a better screen. The OnePlus 10T is an affordable flagship phone whose fine balance of price and specs harks back to the plucky OnePlus for a few years ago. It schemes in mostly the right areas to deliver a phone with bleeding edge specs that undercuts the higher end OnePlus 10 Pro, enough on price to present customers with a clear buying decision. The price just about undercuts the 10 Pro and other Android competitors enough to justify the 10T's existence. If you don't need wireless charging and a telephoto lens, the 10T will save you some cash. The Note 2T is also available for €369 with the same rear camera setup, but if you want to very best processor on any Android phone ever right now and a whopping 16GB RAM, the 10T is a solid all-rounder with a lengthy software promise and is easy to recommend. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.